Okay, so I'm going to show you really quickly how to edit the website, how to edit pitchmaintenance.ie. First of all, we're going to show you how to log in. So you'll get this this URL at the top. It's just pitchmaintenance.ie /WP, which is for WordPress -admin. I'll send you on these login details so you have them. Once you pop that into the top of the screen, you get login details here. So the login details I have given column, or the username is just column, and then the password is Portleash1. Now it's going to log me in. I'm not going to save that for now. Okay, first off, if you wanted to keep the site up to date, this isn't essential, but it's good to do it every now and again to keep the site updated, to keep it running smoothly and fast. You can click on your updates here on the left hand side. Click on those and just update. I'm not going to do them just now, but I'll do them at another stage. Now, how to edit pages. I have over here just a few things I'm going to run through. So these are all the pages. You can just click in here on this side and just scroll down, and you'll see all the pages that are on the website. So for example, the home page. Now we can click on this view here and it'll show us the home page. Just brought it up into a new tab, and then we can edit the page. But what we would like to do, what we want to do, the easiest way to edit the page is to edit it with Elementor, right? So you can either click it on here or back on this page, you can click on it here. So just for this, we're just going to click it on up here, and this will bring us into the back end and show us how to, or it'll allow us to edit it a lot easier. So at the top here I have slides, 3 different slides. So you can see that one is public works, that one is horticulture. These are really easy to change. So we'll go back to the first page. If we didn't want that image, we could click on this. Actually, I'm just going to change that there. But we could just click on this image here. And in our media, we have some images here. They're just stock images, don't mind them. But these are some of the ones that I've dragged in myself. If you have any images on your desktop, you can just literally just drag them in and they'll just pop in there really easily. You can upload you can click on it and just actually upload your files, whatever files you'd like. Or you can just drop and drag it in. So just for an example, I suppose I'll just change it up to this one here. So you can see then when it gets around, it's that image there. Now I'm not going to save this. If I wanted to save it, it would be updated there straight away, but I'm not going to do that just for this video. Then moving on here, if you want to change any of this text, literally just click on it. You can actually change it here by writing there sometimes. If not, you can just go over to the side here, which is where I always edit, and you can see hello coming up here. Yeah, so that's that. Whatever you'd like. If you want to change the style of it, just click on style. That will allow you to make it bigger, smaller, whatever size you want. I think it was on 18, and I think I have all the font and everything pretty much the same. So you have your Roboto, I think it's called, that type of font. Fairly straightforward. Again, if you want to change an image, just click on it, pop over here, click on that little blue dot there, pop on over here, and just change it up. So if you want to change it to that, you could change it to that. Again, I'm not going to save this, so none of these changes will be made. If you wanted to add a video, change up a video, you can just click on that, and I've actually put the link from the Facebook page. So the video that's uploaded to the Facebook page, I put it in there. You can also put in a video from YouTube or whatever, and it will populate itself. If you, for example, wanted to put a video here and there's not a video link, you can just click on this dot here and drag in the video and just put in whatever the URL for the video is. So that's basically, and if you want to, if you want to delete it, just click on, just right click it and then say delete. Say if you wanted to have two images, you could duplicate it. You'll find it as you go along that it's quite easy to edit. Just a matter of taking a bit of time and working around with it. It can be a little bit finicky at times, but yeah, you'll get the hang of it. Okay, so that's how to edit the pages.